Sound trooper is the sound. It is the baddest sound in the world. And any sound that try to test the sound, I know they must get you down. Sound trooper, if you will, just play these quality dubs and make them get killed. Yeah, we don't say nothing more, no, just kill sound. Bang! A Bobby K, aka Bobby Crystal, representing for Sound Trooper. Sound must die, they must die. Nah get no blind, nah get no blind. No, some boy bow, the clash is over. Their masquerade sound just get murdered. Sound Trooper just beat them down. Sound Trooper is the baddest sound in.
Big bad sound, the big bad sound in town.
When Sophie dead, Sound Trooper do the killing. All sound free whenever Sound Trooper sound is around.
Sound is around.
There's no Sound Trooper fear. Sound Trooper is the baddest sound in.
Big bad sound, the big bad sound in town.
Sound Trooper them sound can murder you.
Can murder you.
You are the killer sound, they know it.
They know it too.
When you test Sound Trooper, you're gonna die. The clash is over, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Killing jump and sound is so easy. Ricky don't chat, it's the dog. He used to tear sounds apart.
Tear sounds apart.
Don't be no girl or guy. Sound Trooper is the baddest sound here.
Baddest sound, the baddest sound around.
Don't beg friends, Sound Trooper, dub we share. You deserve an award for the big bad dubs that you play.
Dubs that you play.
Send a song boy to the grave. You're the big bad sound around here.
Big bad sound, the big bad sound in town.
Sound Trooper them sound can murder you.
Can murder you.
You are the killer sound, they know it.
They know it too.
When you test Sound Trooper, you're gonna die. The clash is over, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. All the sounds them afraid, yes them afraid. Are them test them dead, yes them